Hello everyone, welcome back to the Math UMS class this week, week number 6. Today, we're in the chapter of polygons. We will have a topic of quadrilateral, but this lesson is gonna be different, so different from any other lessons. Today, I'm not a teacher, but instead, we will follow a journey, an adventure, the quadrilateral's adventure. This is written by me based on a true story. So buckle up, guys. Let's roll. Before the beginning of time, when the universe is but a chaos of madness, before the existence of matter, there were 4 fragments of the great Creator's will crystallized into 4 pillars. And the birth of the universe is threatened by a dark power called the dire fog, a formless being that devours all. To secure the conception of the universe, the pillars carrying the will of the great Creator must unite. The newborn soul found itself bound to an inevitable journey, the journey that would complete itself and let it destroy the dire fog. And so began the journey of the quadrilateral. The true power of the dire fog lies in its formlessness. It can transform into different shapes that exploit the enemy's weakness. Among all, nothing makes a better opponent than a replica of the enemy itself, but much bigger. And so the journey begins with the battle between our protagonist, Quadrilateral, and the Dark Quadrilateral. Stage number 1, Quadrilateral, begins. So the Quadrilateral say, I won't let the dark force win. See my power. My angles add up to 360 degrees. You know that the sum of all angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees, right? Ha ha ha! You fool! You can't hurt me with the power that I also have. I have all your powers, but my perimeter is bigger, so is my area, so I will crush you. He's right. I can't beat him like this. I have to evolve. I am now a trapezoid with bases and legs. He looks so much stronger now. Indeed, I am. I have 2 parallel sides. I can't take it anymore, but there's more to come. Sum of 2 angles next to my legs is 180 degrees. That is a consequence of having 2 parallel sides. Okay, that dealt a lot of damage. And this is going to be the final blow. I have a formula to calculate the area. The area is equal to the sum of bases times the height divided by 2. Take it, take my power. And so the dark quadrilateral vanished. But the diaphragm is not destroyed so easily. You have fought bravely, but it's just the beginning. You know my power. I can always copy. Now I am a dark trapezoid. Again, I am you, but bigger. Oh. I can do it even better. I transform myself again to make a right trapezoid. I am now a right trapezoid. My area is easier to calculate. And I have two right angles. Take it, take it. Again, I need to evolve, but I need more mana. How can I get more mana? Okay, must answer the question to gain more mana. Show the question, please. In a right trapezoid whose angle C is equal to angles D, and both are the right angles. Knowing that angle A minus angle D is 30 degree, find the value of angle D. And that is the question. Let's see whether the protagonist trapezoid can answer the question. Easy. In the trapezoid, because the sides are parallel, then the angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. So now we solve the sum and difference problem. The angle D is equal to the sum minus the difference and divided by 2, and it gives the answer of 75 degrees. And that is the correct answer. Now the trapezoid has more mana. It can evolve now. Let's see what figure is this trapezoid gonna evolve. So I am now an isosceles trapezoid. Isosceles trapezoid. This figure is way too strong. Indeed. Now stage 3. Isosceles trapezoid versus the dog trapezoid. I'm symmetric. Oh, that hurts. I have angles at base equal. It hurts so much. I have equal legs. It hurts. And this is gonna be the coup de grace. I have two diagonals equal. No! So the dog trapezoid is defeated again. But the dire fog is still alive. You are getting stronger, but not enough. The next shape is one of the most brilliant beings, so rich in powers. So let's see what is the next shape. I summon the parallelogram. And now we have the dog parallelogram. Oh my god, it is such a tongue twister. Oh my gods of size, angles, area, perimeter, and all other gods. He's so powerful. Here I also see that the parallelogram is so powerful. He has a lot of properties. But don't panic yet. Save that for later. I can make you vanish in one hit. But that should be too boring. That sounds familiar. Vegeta, is that you? I will hear you so that I have more time to play. Now you have full HP. Let's play. Consider that the Last Supper. And now prepare to fade. He's absolutely no joke. I have two pairs of opposites equal size. So much damage. That was just a nice massage. The real hit is gonna come. How about opposite sides are parallel? He's so strong. I have only one pair of parallel sides. And the last warning, opposite angles are equal. Oh, I'm dying too quickly. I know he has even more powers. Now you have my permission to die. Is that the end of the protagonist? So you can see that the dark parallelogram is dominating so hard. Is it gonna be the end of our protagonist? So will the universe be saved? Things the answer is gonna be in the next chapter to be continued. Thank you very much for attending the lesson. See you next week.